Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi.
Come on.
And today we are in the garden. So today I'm not going to worry about anything too much. I'm just going to focus on
Mama, look.
the trellises
Mama,
today.
look. This is a wee They literally are.
Get it, babe.
It's literally scientific. Is there a brightness level on this?
Is it too dark?
Yes.
Alright, y'all, so we are back outside. It's the next day, and I'm still at it. So, come on, let's finish this up. So, as you can see, I did not level these up correctly, so this one became a little bit more taller than that one, so I have to fix that.
This is a wee
Alright, y'all, so we got 2 of these things up. And we're just working on that one down there. I gotta hurry up, it's starting to rain, man. You know how long I've been out here? How long I've been out here? Almost 3 hours putting these doggone trellises up. It's taking me 3 hours to put these things up. And I'm still not done. I gotta do the lattice on the ends of it.
a weed.
Gotta stop playing like that, bro.
Daddy, what'd he do?
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am done with my freaking trellises. Jeez Louise. Nah, I know they probably look a little rough right now, but that's okay, okay? I ain't worried about how they look right now. It's just the outline. Okay? Let me move my hair out of the way. Alright, there go that one. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up some wood, and then we're gonna make a lattice going up the sides right there, and probably around this up here too. So yeah, there go another one right there. All right, there go that one. Whew. I'm tired, y'all. God, oh. I've been out here for like 4 hours trying to get these things up right. See that one right there? See that one right there? Come on, let's walk through it so I can get a feel for it. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so I am done, y'all. I'm done. Done. Whew, I'm super happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.